Hello everyone, so today I'll be unboxing the Bambulab A1 Mini. I'm super excited for this because this is my first 3D printer and I was gifted this by my partner. I'm just so thankful for this, I'm so grateful. So I know she's gonna watch this, so thank you. My #1 fan. Setting this thing up, it was fairly easy. This is coming from someone who's never watched like 3D printing like related videos, other than of course maybe like projects, but I knew nothing about 3D printing and I kind of still don't. I'm slowly learning since I got on now. It's kind of a must, you know. No, like it was fairly easy to set this thing up. It was almost like a just take it out, plug and play. Of course, there are just some things you kind of like need to unscrew, which you will see in the video. Things to add on and things you should do before using it. Everything is explained. You can always research, which is what I did for the lubricant oil because I wasn't sure where to apply this and I didn't want to just apply it to like anywhere, you know. So just be careful when you get your own. Before taking any action, just maybe research just to be safe. Before I talk more about the printer, I just want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I've barely had the time to take in the fact that I hit 100 subscribers and now we're at like 218, 90 as I'm recording this voiceover. That is insane. I just want to say thank you. I'm just really happy and grateful that people really enjoyed my Spider-Man mask video. All the positive feedback and the comments and like support is just crazy. That video alone has pushed this channel's growth, which is insane. I'm just so glad to be able to do that project as like the biggest Spider-Man nerd, and there's gonna be more. There's definitely gonna be more Spider-Man projects now that I have a 3D printer. So if you haven't hit subscribe yet or you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I am and I will always be grateful for any support shown to the channel or the videos, and I love making these videos regardless of support. It's like pretty much like a hobby to me, but the support given is like a crazy boost. Like it's like a catalyst for me to like keep pushing videos out and just, you know, share my craft or share my builds. And yeah, it's just really cool to be getting involved in this kind of community. I'm really happy to be a part of it, so yeah. Going back to the A1 Mini, this thing is super quiet. You forget this thing is even there, like while it's working. It's just crazy how silent it was while I was playing games or cleaning up my room. This thing came with a lot of cardboards and stuff. But yeah, the A1 is super quiet. So mine was ordered from Amazon and it came with some mini LED lamp kit, and that was like the first thing I printed because why not? I had the kit. I was just curious how this whole process works. It was pretty easy. It's just the matter of connecting your printer to either your computer or your phone. I just connected it to my phone because I just scanned like this QR code, came with the kit, and downloaded the Bambu Handy app. From there I just found the model. Once I selected the model, I just selected what kind of filament I'm using. Then after that it's just hit print, and it's so quiet. I honestly cannot believe how quiet this thing is. And not only is it quiet, this thing prints like really good, especially for the price point. It's still not cheap, but in comparison to the other printers, whether it's from Bamulabs or like someone else, it's a very good entry point while being budget friendly, and you're not really missing out on quality, I'd say. Obviously you're not going to be able to print big models. Regardless, you can still do so much with this printer. And not only that, but if you do intend to print bigger models, I remember seeing some sort of like tutorial on this because I was curious if this thing could print out Spider-Man face shells. Unfortunately, it's too small. However, you can use software to essentially split like the model up, so you can print sections of it out and then basically piece it together with super glue, or soldering works as well apparently. Just look at this thing go. It's so beautiful, like the way it looks, and it's just so quiet when it prints. By the way, I'm not sponsored. This is all just my experience and my opinion. Maybe later on I can do some sort of like follow-up review for this A1 Mini. Not only is it aesthetic and printing is like great, this thing is fairly small compared to the rest of the Bambulab products. But as someone who's kind of moving in and out from uni and stuff, I think this is like the sweet spot. Quality, aesthetic, it's very compact and sturdy. It's like very strong. As long as I take care of this and keep up with like maintenance, I think this thing will like survive a long time. this is the LED lamp, which was my first print. It looks absolutely stunning. I'm just super excited to like learn more about this stuff and be able to print for my future projects. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned for those future projects, again, please subscribe. I really appreciate the support that this channel has been getting. Like, it's kind of happening fast that I'm just a little overwhelmed and very excited. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys whenever I see you guys next.